Let's learn how to make honey bourbon candied bacon. You probably thought you couldn't beat a piece of good old-fashioned bacon. Well, you thought wrong. Today we're going to make a delicious treat that's sweet, spicy, salty, and meaty. A perfect crisp that'll leave you wanting more and more. Best part is, we've got a secret ingredient that's going to take this to a whole new level. You know it's good when I close my eyes mid-bite. Honestly, who does that? We're going to need a pound of Cherrywood thick-cut bacon. We're also going to need a quarter cup of honey and a shot of your favorite bourbon for the glaze. I'm going to finish up the last bit of this bottle of Jack. When I said honey and bacon, you health nuts probably started thinking this one ain't the one for me. Well, guess again. It's time for our secret ingredient. Today, we're going to be microdosing on grass-fed organ meat. I'll have a link in the description for you. This is a great way to support the channel if you've been enjoying my videos. Let's start by making our honey bourbon glaze. Pour in an ounce of bourbon and turn that bad boy up to medium-high heat. Next, you're going to grab your honey and you're going to squeeze in a quarter cup. You can measure this ahead of time, but I prefer to make things hard on myself and just squeeze the old-fashioned way. Who doesn't like a good challenge? Well, we're going to use this on our bacon today. You can also use it on chicken, on fish, on different types of seafood, on pork. It's very versatile. Once your honey is in there with your bourbon, you're going to give it a good whisk. You want to reduce it to a thicker syrup-like consistency that's going to be the perfect glaze for our bacon. It's going to start to bubble up and slowly change in color and consistency. And soon we'll be left with a caramel-like sauce, and that's how we know it's time. You can add a few other ingredients here if you'd like. You can add vanilla, you can add brown sugar, you can add butter, but I found that honestly this is all you need for an amazing glaze. And once this is done, it's going to look so delicious, you're going to want to put it on your favorite ice cream. But hold off. I believe in you. Grab your bacon and place it on a sheet pan with a rack. You want to space out your bacon so it gets the perfect crisp. If you put too many pieces too close, it won't cook the way we're looking for. Grab your honey bourbon glaze and coat your bacon. You're going to heat up your oven to 400 degrees and you're going to cook them bad boys for 15 to 20 minutes. But before we do, we're going to spread out some of our amazing Pluck spicy all over the top. There's something so satisfying about ripping the top off of a fresh package. Be generous here. We're adding tons of nutrition since we're topping this with Pluck instead of other seasoning. Organ meat is some of the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. And in just 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to have the most delicious bacon you've ever seen in your entire life. Let's get right into it. All right, it's time to try this amazing honey bourbon candied bacon. So let's see what it tastes like. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's meaty. And the spicy Pluck complements the honey glaze perfectly. We're not looking for something super hot. We're looking for something that actually counterbalances the sweetness of the honey glaze and mixes well with the bourbon and just ties together in a perfect way. Just a couple of ingredients, that's all you need, and it's just going to take your bacon to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.